Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the desktop of the Windows 10 operating system on a Windows PC. And Windows 10 offers a number of productivity changes that you can use in your everyday business. Some features will be familiar to you and will be upgraded versions of past operating systems. In other cases, you'll notice entirely new features that will help you to do some of the tasks that you undertake every day. Now, in this course, we'll be looking at the new File Explorer, which is an upgraded version of the Windows Explorer. We'll also take a look at new ways to manage your display as well as your desktop. We'll look at Cortana, the voice assistant, as well as the Quick Assist system. We'll look at the media streaming options. We'll look at the voice recorder, as well as a way to take screenshots of content on your desktop. We'll look at an application in Windows 10 that shows you how to work with your steps recorder. We'll look at the camera application that will show you how to use your webcam. And finally, we'll explore the Windows Store to add applications to your Windows 10 setup. So in the next video, we will begin with the File Explorer as we get started with the course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.